COVID-19 cases are spiking across the state, and now many parents are worried about sending their kids back to school in the fall. 25 News reporter Joel Lopez has more.
Come August 17th, schools in Killeen are back in session, and as coronavirus concerns are top of mind, Killeen ISD is gearing up for all possible scenarios. As Texas continues battling through the coronavirus pandemic, the 2020 school year is fast approaching.
The simple fact remains we cannot allow a public health crisis to become a generational education crisis.
State officials are hard at work mapping out how to protect students and staff when schools reopen.
The health and safety of teachers, students, parents, and everybody else will be the first and foremost issue.
On Tuesday, the TEA released reopening guidelines asking teachers to screen for COVID-19 symptoms daily and students to screen at the beginning of each school week before coming onto campus, as well as suggesting everyone to wear masks, wash their hands, clean regularly, and keep a 6-foot distance from others. But parents still have concerns.
Sending my middle schooler into the hallways where there's just kids everywhere, it gives me great anxiety.
Killeen ISD surveyed about 2,000 parents on how they feel about reopening schools. 17% said they were comfortable starting school as normal as things were last year. Meanwhile, 47% of parents said they were willing to send their students back with significant social distancing changes and guidelines.
And that to us is what we wanted to see and know, that there's a green light from our family and our community to do this, because one message from the state is one thing, but a message from our own community is so much stronger.
On top of the guidelines, Killeen ISD is also looking into social distancing for in-class learning, including making class sizes smaller, which could mean converting art rooms and cafeterias into classrooms.
So even though there may be some minimum requirements, it's really about how we can make that even one step further, because our families are trusting us with their children.
With the start of school just 2 months away, KISD plans to continue to adapt as developments with coronavirus take place.
I have to put a lot of trust in KISD. It's just hard knowing that we're taking that control from something that we would provide or help keep our kids safe and giving it to somebody else.
Parents will still have the option to provide their students with virtual or distance learning. So far, the TEA has not finalized its guidelines, but Killeen ISD hopes to have fall plans in place by July 15th. Joel Lopez, 25 News, Waco.